Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili echor, only way. Start by building a deep, savory stock from bones, spices, and aromatics, then brown your protein well. Add palm oil, ground crayfish, and blended peppers gradually while stirring to prevent burning. Simmer with starchy vegetables until tender and sauce thickens. Taste and adjust salt and heat, then serve piping hot with rice or fufu for comforting results. I will explain the ingredient choices and why they matter to the final dish. Fresh palm oil gives color and aroma, while ground crayfish adds umami complexity. Blending peppers with onion and a splash of vinegar smooths the heat and brightens the sauce. Starchy vegetables like yam or plantain absorb flavors and naturally thicken the stew. Choosing the right protein and seasoning gradually will yield a rich. I will help you with techniques that create authentic texture and taste in chili echor. Sear meat until well browned to build a flavorful base, then deglaze the pan and combine with your prepared stock. Cook low and slow so connective tissue melts and the sauce reduces naturally. Mash some of the cooked yam or plantain into the pot to thicken and finish with a final seasoning check before serving warmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.